So my 9-volt AC 1 amp adapter is here. Yay! And so now I can kind of complete my power supply. I'm still waiting for the 7-pin DIN connector. Still isn't here. It's been 3 weeks. I'm still waiting. Anyway, so I'm going to cut this cable off this adapter and attach those wires to these 2 wires. And since it's AC, it doesn't matter, which is which, because the polarity does not matter. So, and then I'm going to use hot gun glue to glue some of this stuff in here so it doesn't move around. And then that'll be complete. I'll just have to solder the connector when I get it, which I don't know when it's going to be here. So what that means is this power supply will be able to be used with a Commodore VIC-20 or Commodore 64. That's about it, I think. I'm going to use it for Commodore VIC-20. So it's supplying 5 volts, 2 DC. Okay, 5 volts DC, 2.5 amps, and it will be supplying 9 volts AC, 1 amp. Does that make sense? So, all right. Okay, so I cut the wire off. I stripped these wires. Now, I don't like to solder unless I have to. I know it's terrible, ain't it? So I'm going to take these and connect it with these wires, and to do that I need both hands. And so hold on. I like to use vice grips to squish them down. Okay. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to use the hot glue gun to glue these down so they're not flopping around, and to just dab some on the bottom of these power supplies so they don't move around. Probably hot glue a little bit around to keep them in place. So I'm going to put some hot glue on the sides of these. I'm going to put some hot glue on some of these wires. Keep them like flopping around. Let's see. There's some hot glue right there. So I didn't use a whole lot of hot glue, just a little, dab on the bottom of these 2 power supplies, to keep it moving around. I mean, it's pretty good. The blue wire is not, I'm not using it. And the blue wire is actually the shield wire going through the cable. I'm not going to use that. Which would be the ground prong. I mean, I could use it, I guess. I'm not an electronics expert, so I'm not sure how to go about that. Where we need to connect to, I guess connect it to the regular ground. I don't know. But I'm not going to worry. I'm not worried about it. So I'm going to put I think everything looks okay. I don't see any loose wires or anything. So I'm gonna put the lid on it. Should fit. When I turn it upside down, it shouldn't flop around. That don't sound like it. Okay. So, and it is, of course, a Commodore 128 power supply, or it was, you know. Put some screws in it. Tighten them down too much. This plastic's old, so gotta be careful with it. I'm only gonna put 2 of the screws in there now, in case I need to open it back up. I'm gonna test it before I completely, you know, finalize it. Like I said, I gotta get the DIN connected for that, you know, to connect to the computer. I don't like to just stick those wires in the connector, you know, power connector. Especially now that the white and brown one is AC, and the red and black is DC. AC is the 2 thin wires, and DC is 2 thick wires. 4 amps. I guess that's why. Okay. That's it for now. So I don't know where that DIN connector is. It's never showed up. So I went ahead and just wired it straight through, and so the wires going into the power input on the VIC-20. The colors are off. I think I got them right. That's the way they're supposed to look. I had to adjust that blue pot, that guy right there, to get the colors right. There's the VIC chip. I think, yeah, okay. And so I gotta put this plate back on it and put the computer back together. But that's the screen. Some of the keys, like the A key is sticking some. You gotta kind of tap it pretty hard to get it to work. But all the keys work. So it's doing its VIC-20 thing. I tried to save and load on this data set recorder. It's a no-go. It recognizes it. It does operate. The heads might need to be cleaned on it. I don't know. So I'll try that. And that's the VIC-20 update. Until next time.